First of all, I would like to thank the Vadhwani Foundation for helping us figure out what our pain points were. The discovery report in particular was the beginning of everything where we are concerned. It helped us identify exactly what we need to prioritize to fix and rather grow in the 5x capacity that we set out to go for. During the discovery report, we got a good understanding, insight, and objective look into our own company. It was like a diagnosis which helped to figure us and prioritize the first or 2-3 things that we need to address as a company to grow. Now, we zeroed out on, of course, our key account management and performance management systems, which we got going with at the word go. So that's where we started and that's where we are. Mainly the performance management system, I would say, is something that we addressed. The reason we did so is because in smaller companies, many a times you ignore human resource as a department. There is no department. It's usually managed by the owner of the company or the head of the company. It is a very important aspect to look at because the understanding is very limited. You don't look at it as a revenue generating center. However, very good entrepreneur would probably know, a sensitive entrepreneur with high EQ would probably know the pulse of his company, the pulse of his employees. But in the long run, when you're growing into a bigger organization, you need to create systems over there as well. So creating performance management system became a priority for us. That particularly helped us focus on each person's KRAs, KPIs. Even the managers of our companies were sensitized to that particular way of functioning, and that helped the organization as such keep individual focus and understand which direction we are going, aligning everyone together, rowing in the same direction. So that kind of helped. Key account management, yes, we have about 3,500 customers. We create a system where we could reach out to them, retain them, customers. And we are also integrating that with our current ERP system that we are building. And yes, that's where we are.
So the discovery process lasted for about a little more than 2 months. We did both qualitative and quantitative analysis from the data that we gathered with the help of the entrepreneur. One of the important points that needs to be discussed, or what I found very important and very advantageous on side of Ranger was that Siddharth was really open to discuss these problems in detail, in depth. Many a times it showed that there were things which the company systems and processes need to improve, and he was very open about discussing those, because we could figure out what the important issues were in the company and which could be we could start solving that first. We decided to work on the discussions. 2 major points did come up. So one was the culture part. So he had inherited a really great company. However, the culture needed to change. It had to become more accountable. People had to become more accountable, and their incentives, etc., had to be tied to their performance. So that is a culture change for the company, and that is something that we thought should be attacked, should be kind of the first priority, because it's going to take a little bit of time for doing that. Secondly, they were sitting on a lot of customer information. It's an old company. It's a 48-year-old company. They have interacted with like thousands of customers. They literally had that data, and they could actually use that data to get more high quality business. I would say they already had orders, and I'm talking about high margin orders. So that is the second thing that we decided to work on, because that is growth related. And thirdly, there were some smaller initiatives we decided to take up parallelly. So there was this integration of ERP which was already going on inside Ranger Engineering when we approached them. And some of our toolkits are being used while designing that particular ERP system, so that the dashboards, etc., which are right now on Excel through our tools, they will be showing up on his dashboards in the ERP system itself. So this is how the journey was for us. And I think towards the end of the discovery process, we had a pretty good idea of what we are supposed to do and what is the timeline, what are the challenges that we might face in executing it.